Yo, what is going on, y'all? How we doing? Oh shit, hold on. Need to be careful here. I'm currently in longs on NQ, but I don't really like how it's moving right now. Don't really like how it's moving. Not a lot of faith in this right now. I might get clapped. I might get clapped. PA is doing dirty work, which sucks, but yeah, I wish that I longed YM. I chose NASDAQ. Pretty fucking gross. Needs more energy. Dun, 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 dun. NQ is also fucking the weakest asset right now. So weak. I need NQ to inverse this fucking 5 minute right here. I need us to create an IFVG here. Give it a good push in 10 seconds. Yeah, it was a mid closure. I think. Toast ASMR. Oh shit, forgot. Dude. Hmm. You need an inversion on this fucking 5 minute. I have peanut butter all over my face. Okay. Yes, I am in the trade. This is what this means. I need more energy out of NQ. I hate how this is moving. You guys are so dumb. Bye-bye. Wait, I hit the wrong person. After this trade, maybe I'll check it. But even if I check it, I'm not going to take it because I don't trade forex anymore, bro. I believe you, though. I believe you. Come on, NQ. Give me a 5-minute IFUG. Or close above that 5-minute swing high. Save that for a little bit. Have another one of these. Close. Yes. All right, good. Got the IFUG. Hello. I'm setting an alert on the Dow Jones high here. What's up, bro? What's happening? What's happening? I need a strong bull move. If we close above this high on NQ, if we close above the high at 659, I'm putting my stop to this 5-minute swing low. Yeah, I just need NASDAQ to follow suit. Send alerts here as well. Got a minute left, thank you. I risk like 2% on evals. Like about 2%. 1 to 2 minimum. I need NASDAQ to blast through this high. All right. I'm putting my stop to this 5-minute swing low. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. Ugh. One more. Nothing like a pack of full sugars will fix any problem. Oh, that was a 15-minute candle closure too. How did that look? That was a good 15-minute candle closure. Fuck. I fucked up. Where did that go? Wink. Third time's the charm. Third time's the charm. Yeah, like the stream if you want me to keep doing these. Because if you don't like the streams, then I'm not going to do them anymore. And that's a threat. That is a threat. Yesterday I didn't trade. I didn't wait for 10 a.m. It's all depending on how price is moving. Like I literally I will take my trades based off of how price is delivering. It's all like based off of market structure aligning itself with liquidity. If market structure is aligning with liquidity before 10 o'clock, I'm going to take the trade. If it's not, then I'm not going to take the trade. Simple as that. Nice tattoo. Much love for that. We're almost done the arm. The only thing that's left to do is back here. Like anything in here is all that's left. Like this here. And then we work into the chest, and then here, and then here. When I am with you, there's no place I'd rather. Bro, I want a neck tattoo is right. Did I reduce my stop loss? Yes. My stop loss is cut more than half. So I have less than half. I have less than 0.5% on this trade. Does the bicep tattoo hurt more? Which one? Like on here? This did not hurt at all. Like honestly, anything on my arm didn't hurt. Like literally none of it did. What fucking hurt was on my bone on my shoulder. This fucking hurt. This hurt like a bitch. Yeah, bro, I really want a neck tattoo. Then I'll up my scumbag meter to like from like 67 to like 99. Chest tattoos also hurt bad. My brother got a chest piece when I got this shoulder piece, and he said it was the worst pain ever. Said it was the worst pain ever. Why would I get a back tattoo when I can't even see it myself? Like I literally can't even see I can't even see the piece. So why would I get it? You know? What about a dit tattoo? That's fucking crazy, bro. Bro, say dit tattoo. Nice, thank you. Matt, I hope you don't mind. I'm talking to a girl here in stream chat. Matt, I hope you don't mind. I'm talking to a girl. What? Why? What are you talking about? Why would I mind? Also, where are you from? Based off of that question that you just gave me, where are you from? And how old are you? I need to know both of those answers right now. I'm up 2R this week. There's 168 viewers, well, combined with YouTube. I want everyone in this fucking YouTube live stream to like the stream. Like the live. I also have an educational video coming out that is fucking bomb, and it's a prop firm pass hack. It's how I trade. It's how I pass all my prop firms, all my valuations. When I am with you, there's no place I'd rather be. What do you think about crosses in 2022 to 2023 versus nowadays? Bro, you can make $1 million fucking dollars. You can make millions trading crosses, bro. I don't care. I don't hate on anybody's strategy, brother. You could trade support and resistance, supply and demand, fucking ICT, Wyckoff, whatever the fuck it is, GAN theory. As long as you're trading with proper risk management and you're not over trading, you're not over leveraging, and you're staying strict within limitations on a day and a week, you could trade and win within any strategy there is. There's no like, oh, this strategy is better than that. There's no this strategy is better than that. It's fucking all based off of how you're able to manage your emotions in a day and your risk. That's literally the holy grail behind how one person will be better than another. There's a fucking support and resistance trader that's probably making millions upon millions of dollars a month that runs circles around me, trading breakouts because he manages risk better. Like it all comes down to that. It literally all comes down to that. And if you guys can't understand that, you can't see that, then that's a problem. You know? After this trade, I will check everything else. I want to just focus on NASDAQ right now. Yeah, people even trade whatever moon phases is crazy. That's wild. That's a nice armpit tattoo. What? Armpit tattoo, man. Do I have a girlfriend, Matt? No. I had 2 girlfriends in my life that totaled 7 years. Isn't that crazy? 7 years of my life, I had a girlfriend. Between 2. 2 girls. Do I have a child? No, but I had a scare. My ex had an abortion. I don't know if I was allowed to say that, but sorry. Yeah, dude, I've fucking seen some insane shit. Which one is the best year? What do you mean, which one? Which girl? How much time did it take you to become profitable and consistent? When I stopped caring about the money. And I found a system that I was able to execute consistently time and time again, week by week, month by month, day by day. There's just no hesitation with my trading. If I see the model, I take it. And what's the worst that's going to happen? The worst that's going to happen in a trade that you take. Oh no, I lost the trade. I lost fake money. You're fucking playing with monopoly money, bro. Like, your model presents itself, you fucking take the trade. Execute. Click the fucking button. If you can't do that, then don't even call yourself a man. Just click the button. If everything checks off on your list, then take the trade. And if you're too scared and too pussy to do that, then you are not a man. You're a little boy. Oh no, I lost fake demo money. Wow. Yeah, I mean, the eval costs what? Costs like 2 Chipotle bowls? Costs a dinner? The portion of the amount of money that you're risking from the evaluation costs you like literally $5, if that. $10. And the reason why you're losing and blowing these evaluation accounts is because you're risking too much, or you're over trading in the day. If you trade it properly and you don't fucking act stupid while you're executing trades on the account, then you'll fucking pass them. You'll pass them fine. Describe your strategy for a 10-year-old. So you look at one object or one display of a picture. Let's say you're looking at twins, identical twins. And you notice that the one twin, his hair in the day turns out to be curly. And then the other twin has straight hair. That's a crack in correlation between identical twins. So once you see that, you note that there's something different in that specific identification. And when you note that, you can look for some sort of like switch in a mood, or switch in a way that they might act. I'm not fucking doing this anymore. This is ridiculous. You look for price to trade into a fair value gap or an external high or low. Once you see price trading into an internal range liquidity pool or an external range liquidity pool, you look for a differentiation between price, between NQ, ES, or YM. Once one pair gives a lower low or a higher low, or a higher high or a lower high at that key level, that's your step 1 and your step 2. After that step 1 and step 2, that is when you drop to a lower time frame where you're looking for displacement in the opposing direction from the crack and correlation that took place. Now, in this case scenario, I'm watching the NASDAQ create a cracking correlation at a internal range liquidity pool with the Dow Jones, aka a 4-hour candle low that NASDAQ ran that the Dow Jones failed to run. So once I see that cracking correlation occur post 10 o'clock, I drop down to a lower time frame and I'm looking to see, based off of how price is reacting, once the cracking correlation occurs. Is the displacement valid? Is price giving me a sharp V shape outside once that cracking correlation occurs? If that V shape is apparent and if it's visible, then I know that price is ready to reverse to an opposing liquidity pool, which is exactly what I did today. That's all I did. Once these cracks in correlation occur, all you need to do is just wait for displacement in the opposing direction. And I only trade New York. That's it. Only trade New York, brother. Before I was scared, but now I want to see the model. I want to see the model. I click that because of you. Well, here's the model. But both have SMT for bearish. Yeah, but you're trading in the trend of higher time frame order flow. That's your lack of understanding here. I'm trading in regards to how price is moving on our higher time frame. That is all I care about. As long as I'm in alignment with the higher time frame, I'm good. Price has been bullish, so I'm going to remain bullish and only look for that long. That is all I'm going to care about. I'm not going to care about 4-hour bearish SMTs or hourly bearish SMTs. It means nothing to me. You know? Once the Dow Jones runs this high, I'm going to go break even on NASDAQ. But this is also my break even point on NQ here too. I mean, I have 6 years of experience. Oh, shit. I want gold to go down to the daily gap. NQ opposing. Okay. They can. I'm not saying that it's impossible. I'm not saying it's impossible for that to happen. You know? The forever model will print it fine in any quarter. But I will say that Q2 and Q3 are the best. Because it's in the middle of the year. I always go for 2R. I always go for 2R. Always, 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 always. I'm always looking for a 1 to 2 risk to reward, guys. Yeah, it was a B setup. I'll share it later. I'm actually in the works of signing for a AMG GLE 63S. I just want the specific specs behind it, which is kind of hard to find. But it's difficult to buy yourself nice things when you have to take care of your entire family. I always find it, well, I find more satisfaction in taking care of the ones that were there for me from the beginning compared to taking care of myself. Like I want to put others before me before I put myself first. Like I took care of my mom's house. I take care of her bills, like groceries, like a lot of the stuff from my dad. Because they were there to give me money when I fucking had no money when I was learning this shit. So I was grateful enough to have them support me. So now that I'm in a position to support myself, I want to be able to support them. I'm not going to take my first fucking $100,000, $200,000 month and just buy myself something extremely nice. No. Bro, I'm not going to put the link in the YouTube chat. And I don't even know how to do that. So I don't know what you're talking. I don't know what you're doing. Yes, today was a B setup. Did you break down today's trade in my main channel? I broke it down. I took it live with my Discord. I took it live with my Discord. My total funding. So I have 20. I have 20 accounts with Apex, all 50Ks. That's a mil. And then I have 5 Tradeify instant fundings that are 100K. So that's 1.5. And then I have 4 50K funded next. So that's another 200K. And then I have 5 Blue Guardian accounts, 50Ks. It's another 250K. So we're over 2 million in funding. But I don't copy trade them all together. Dude, my legs are so toast right now. Trade Copia. Bro, it just takes experience, bro. It took me a long fucking time to move from trading one account, bro. Like, it took me a long time to fucking really be comfortable trading more than one account. A long fucking time. I went from trading one account to trading 3, from 3 to trading 5, from 5 to trading 10, 10 to trading like 12, then 15, then 15 to 20, 20 to 25, and then so on and so forth. I can't give you that journal. That journal is priceless to me. From the year of 2022 to 2023, I journaled every single day's price action on the S&P 500. Every day, whether I took a trade or not. My emotions. I had my bias, my draw on liquidity, the time of execution, and every single possible annotation you could think of, every single delivery that Price did from its liquidity pools, point A to point B, how it did it, why it did it. And I did it for 2 years straight because I was legitimately obsessed with this. And that's something that a lot of people will not do because they just don't feel like they need to. When in reality, those are the small things that people should fucking be doing to learn and develop a model that they can trust and execute behind. Being completely honest with you. If you can't do those small things, man, don't expect to make the big bucks. It's the little things that matter the most. I have a free Discord, but I also have a paid one. But I plan on shutting down the paid one and not allowing access to anyone anymore. You watch the vlog? Yo, anybody that wants to go, anybody that is interested, go watch the vlog that I posted on YouTube. Did you like the editing behind it? I thought it was fucking cool. I'm really happy with that video. It was one of the best trips I've ever gone on. If you watch the vlog, like it and comment your favorite part. That trip was so fun, guys. It was so fun. Do you know for views, the YouTube, the thumbnail matters? Yeah, I think thumbnail matters a lot. Where do you write your journal? I have a Notion and then I have TradeZella. Have all of it. What light? What light was crazy? Oh, the next trip that I'm going to is in February. That'll be the next vlog. I will be going the 19th. The 19th of February. to Aspen, Colorado. There's a festival there. It's called, here, I'll show you guys. Palm. I'll block this out. My order number. I'm going to see Calvin Harris, Sammy Vergi, Kygo, Malp, Clooney on the mountain in Aspen. So I'm going to vlog that too, which is going to be sick. I'm going with Dodgy and Keyflow again, and then another person. But that vlog is going to be fucking insane. The 19th to the 22nd of February. Get a snowboard. Fucking watch an insane DJs that I've never seen before. Super fucking excited. Hey, if you guys want to come to Aspen, I'll fucking see you there, bro. I'll see you there. Yeah, I know. I didn't. First of all, my editor just threw in that clip of Dodgy singing that stupid fucking song. You guys can go in the comments of the video and fucking say, yo, I feel like my ears were bleeding from this time to this time. Like, honestly, that was agony. I was like listening to it and it was just pure agony. Like literally pure agony. I'm going break even on NASDAQ. I'm going break even here, guys. I'm going full risk off. Full risk off the table here. Full risk off on NASDAQ longs. Risk-free trade, risk-free trade. Any more than I can say. On my way, no. Well, there's now the full break even. There's the full break even on NQ. Hit that 5-minute bearish gap. My bias was bullish all the way, but the delivery was brutal. Yeah, it took some time for it to deliver something, bro. It took some time. It took some time, but trust the process. Be patient. Wait it out. And then shit will end up being okay. Will you wait when price starts dropping from? I don't give a fuck. Dude, I could give less of a fuck what happens here. It's either price goes to my break even or my TP. Whatever fucking happens, happens. I could give less of a fuck. And that's how you guys should act whenever you're in a trade. You do your analysis, you follow protocol, and the result from that point on is meaningless. If you guys are shaking in your boots, I recommend you take this. It's a little thing called ashwagandha. Lower your cortisol levels. And then maybe you won't care anymore. Like the second that I get done this live, you know what I'm doing? I'm leaving and I'm going to the gym. That's what I'm doing. Just because you said that, let's sell it. You're getting put in timeout. Any more than I can say. I'm a gym health addict, more than a chart addict. That's what I'll say. I mean, bro, if you're not above the buffer, then you should be trailing your stop losses aggressively. That's how I see it. If you're not, oh shit, 11:56. Let's think of a word for a giveaway. Let's think of a word. Also, you will not win this giveaway if you don't like the stream. If you don't like the stream, you're not going to win. And I will know. There's 79 people in here, so there better be 79 likes on this stream. So if you want a giveaway, like it. And I'm not going to do the giveaway until I see 79 likes. Oh, this 5-minute gap is smoking me right now. $58 likes. I still need 20 more likes. I need more. I need more. 68. 71. I'm watching. 72. Like the stream. 75. $76. Do I do ashwagandha? Fuck yeah, I do. I'm going to only because we have a minute left. All right. Well, I know exactly who likes it and who doesn't, so I'll know. Okay. I'm gonna do this giveaway in 20 seconds. 20 seconds. When there's 15 seconds now. All right. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The word is shoulders because I'm hitting shoulders at the gym today. Ha ha ha. The word is shoulders. Bang. Got him. All right. It's Varun, Pal Trader, and Shura JRA JU7734. There you are, guys. Those are the two winners for the day. For the people that said shoulders in time, make sure you spelled it right. Very good. Make sure that those two winners, you are opening up a ticket in the Blue Guardians Futures Discord. They will take care of your ticket. They'll take care of your account. They'll issue it to you. If you have a problem, let me know, and I will escalate it. But be safe, y'all. Take care. I'm probably going to get stopped out, break even of this trade. It is what it is. And overall, still a good day. But be easy, everybody. Have a good, blessed, safe weekend. And like always, I will see you all on Tuesday next week for the next live stream. If you haven't already watched the vlog on my channel, go check it out. And yeah, deuces, everybody.